Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on Webpack Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to add more pages, or you can say blank pages in Google Docs. So I will show you two ways you can add the blank pages in Google Docs. So let's start with the video. Before we starting, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay. So first, let me open the Google Docs. So I am on my Google Drive. So I take the one Google Docs file here. Okay, or you can open your existing file. So I just open the Google Docs. So yeah, it is open now. So you can see I am on my one page. I have only one page here. Okay, I just okay. So you can add easily next page. Okay, you have to, I just write something here to show you. Take zone. Okay, so now if I want to add next page, so I have to click here on, just hit the enter, and you can see next page bin has been insert. Okay, I have insert 4 pages here. You can see I have insert 5 pages here. You have to just hit the enter and the page will be add. So if you want to add within the page, okay, if you want to add page within the para, so you can see this my, I need to add something here. Okay, this is my, like I have some content here. So I want to break page from here. So I want to add page from here. So I go to the insert and I can go to the break page. I can click on break page. You can see the break page has been break within the this para, and this para has come to the second page. So you can use also the option like section break next page or section break continuous. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.